What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Cait and Misha's here with me today. So guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be reacting to EXO's Bird, which has been very much requested. So without further ado, guys, we're going to get into it and I hope you guys enjoy. And play.
Encore!
Wow!
次の曲は僕たちの新曲
So of course
アド
enjoy.
になります。
They always look good, but they look
皆さん
good.
Yeah, there's so many EXO idols that always say that. I just want to be one.
見てくれてありがとうございます。はい、歌詞を覚えてる方はぜひ一緒に歌いましょうね。
I know Big Hands is mostly always red.
それでは
It's his favorite
聴いてくだ
color.
さい。バード。
Saying is orange. Thank
じゃあみんな手を挙げて
you.
Thank you, Chanyeol.
Up with a bed.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, Jenny.
Wow.
Oh, Big Hands. Oh, he's so beautiful.
Gorgeous. Wow.
Cute. Sing first time. Oh, Jenny. I miss you. Cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, cute. Hey, Chanyeol. So showing us muscle.
Hey.
光を遮る雲の影
Hey, let's go with the rapper.
You're going in a circle.
Thank you.
Receive it.
Let's go, Mr. Muscle.
Why are they so cute?
Oh, sing fly soon. Yes, get the ad-libs, get a song.
Wow.
Hey, all the exals.
Sing time. I sing like a rapper.
Hey,
Oh, they're so close. I love it.
brothers.
Get it. Wow. Always gets us.
Get it. Hello. Oh, look, it's all babies. Yeah, senin Big Oh, I can't. I can taste it. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, they look
run. Oh!
Wow.
Oh, we're going back halfway. There we go, halfway.
Oh my god. Halfway to the beginning. Yes, let's do it.
You gotta be backing up for EXO. So get the swagginess.
Hey.
Not all your voice.
Wow.
Oh, hey.
God.
Oh, it's singing to it.
And it's so effortless.
Oh, it's
Oh, cute.
all their hair is just looking so good.
Right? All of this.
It's all styled.
I never knew pink looked that good. In fact, it's one hair off.
Yeah, my cheeks are so
Oh,
Let's go, brothers. Oh, I can hear Sarah. Cute. Yes,
he always gets us. Wow.
for the harmony.
Wow, he
Yes,
said everything.
right.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good.
Wow. He's so happy.
Oh,
It looks like they're enjoying it too.
yes.
We're enjoying it too. Aw.
Get your harmony channel.
Yeah, it's like, yeah. It's so good.
Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so good.
Absolutely.
Oh, that song's just such a
It's
vibe.
such a happy song.
Yeah.
So happy and just
It's such a
vibey.
vibe to listen to, and they all look so cute.
Feel good.
I really miss Dio and Schumann though.
Oh,
I felt
yes.
like I almost heard Dio at a point.
Yes,
I'm like,
yes.
you said you missed the soulful.
there.
Oh, but it was so good. I love how they you just hear all of them. Oh, they just carried so well.
Oh,
Brilliant,
they have a
brilliant.
special place in
They
our hearts.
really do.
Wow.
Oh, EXO is so precious.
Oh.
Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. Also, comment down below of any other EXO content that you'd like me to react to, and I'll try my best to get to it. But without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have the best day further or the best week, and I'll see you next time for another video. Okay, bye!